Welcome back to Frontline News. I'm Sasha Lee Hamilton. It's now time for Frontline Business. President of the Small Business Association of Jamaica, Hugh Johnson, says a nano-market strategy will be established soon to help local small businesses grow. More in this report.
Nanomarketing involves an enterprise identifying its target market and then applying razor-sharp marketing aimed at achieving its objectives.
My expectation was that it would have been on stream already. And if I may segue a little into that, we, as part of our mandate, we want to get at least 50 companies, nanostock ready for when it would have been announced, for them to just need a little tweaking, a little adjustment to be able to get on. And for that reason, we had engaged, we had signed an MOU with EBIS. They are on board at Small Business Association Complex, where they do business development training for entrepreneurs and help you with best practices in your business so that it will be seamless when this happens.
Mr. Johnson says the rollout of the initiative was delayed because the association was not able to get buy-in from the Minister of Finance. He says the SBAJ has now convinced the finance minister that it is a good plan and the program should be up and running in a matter of weeks.
He has asked a director within the finance ministry to take up the charge and to start the process. The director, one of our directors, is on that committee, that working committee, which is Director Moody. I haven't heard of any meeting subsequent to that, but he has assured me that it is back on track to work out the kinks as it relates to operationalizing it. So I'm hopeful that within another 2-3 months, I would say, I would expect to hear, if not for it to start, to get some more positive feedback as to a timeline when it will be able to begin.
Kimberly Broderick, Frontline Business.
SSL Venture Capital has a new CEO. Mark Croskery will assume duties on March 1. He will also be SSL's chairman. The appointment follows the resignation of Lamar Harris to pursue personal initiatives. Ms. Harris spent 7 years at the company. President Donald Trump has announced that the U.S. will delay imposing further trade tariffs on Chinese goods. The rise in import duties on Chinese goods from 10% to 25% was due to come into effect on March 1. Mr. Trump said both sides had made substantial progress in trade talks, which sent Chinese stocks up nearly 5%. He added that he was planning a summit with Chinese President Xi Jinping in Florida to cement the trade deal if more progress was made. Mr. Trump's decision to delay tariff increases on $200 billion worth of Chinese goods was seen as a sign that the two sides were making progress on settling their damaging trade war. In Monday's trading session, the JSE Combined Index advanced by 1,340 points to close at 390,288. Overall market activities resulted from trading in 62 stocks, of which 29 advanced, 20 declined, and 13 traded firm. The junior market index advanced by 38 points to close at 3,166. Stocks advanced for Access Financial Services, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cement, Caribbean Cream, and Carreras Limited. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living, AMG Packaging and Paper, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, and Derriman Trading. Trading firm were Blue Power Group, CAC 2000, Caribbean Producers, Siboney Group, and Epley Limited. Jamaican Teas Limited was the volume leader with over 4 million units, followed by Fontana Limited with 913,786 units, and Scotia Group Jamaica Limited with 375,825 units. News in oil. Oil futures tumbled 3% on Monday after U.S. President Donald Trump called for OPEC to relax and take it easy on boosting crude prices, which he said were climbing too high. Brent crude oil futures were down $2.03 at $65.09 a barrel. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures fell $1.73 to $55.53 a barrel. And that's it for Frontline Business. Regional stories are up next.